Hi, little learners. What letter do you think yellow and yacht start with? Great job. Say hello to letter Y. Can you say Y? Let's say it together.
Y.
Great job. Y is for yellow. Yellow starts with Y. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Excellent job. Yellow. Let's say it again.
Yellow.
Excellent job. Yellow. What else starts with Y? I know. Yacht. Wow, look at that yellow yacht. Y is for yacht. Yacht starts with Y. Can you say yacht?
Yacht.
Great job. Yacht. You're doing really well. One more time.
Yacht.
Great job. Yacht. Let's put it all together.
Y.
Is for
Yellow.
and
Yacht.
Wow, look at that yellow yacht. Let's say it one more time.
Y.
Is for
Yellow.
and
Yacht.
Great job, little learners. We only have one more letter to go. Keep practicing the letter Y, and I'll see you next time for... Can you guess it? Here's a hint. It's the last letter of the alphabet. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun. Bye.